Hello students, how are you all? I am back, your English teacher. I'm welcoming you to all in this session that today we are going to do Flying Together chapter of Unit 2. I guess you might have seen or read the chapter from the given link. Yes, okay. Now I will give you a brief summary of this chapter. What do you have learned from the Flying Together chapter? Yes, how to live together. That means what union is strength. Yes, how to live together. If we are living together, no one can harm us. If we do our work on time, nobody can harm us. Over here written there, what are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? What are things? I guess everything. Parents tell pack your bags on time, do your work on time. Teachers also say do your work on time, get up early in the morning. By parents, do the homework, pack your school bag, and many more. Why they are saying that you have to do your work on time? There are reasons behind it. Yeah. What are the reasons? The reasons are, if we do the things on time, then we will not find any kind of difficulty in the coming time. This is let it be. Suppose you have done your work, whatever your teacher has given to you. You have done. Then you feel relaxed. Yes, now I have done my work. Now I'm free and no need to take tension. And that is very true. If you have not done your work on time, there is something in your mind. Oh, I have not done my work. What teacher will do? What teacher will say? What mama will say? What papa will say? And it will create more problems. It will create stress. It will create tension. So you have to do your work on time. Okay, I'm not taking much of your time for this. Now open your books at page number 33 of Marigold, bete. Opened? Okay. Now let's over here there are some questions. Let's read. I had given to you in the form of worksheet. I guess you might have written in your notebooks in a good handwriting. Now let's coming to the second session. That is, state whether the following statements are true or false. You have to see. I have done all for you, but it's better if you do yourself, because it now then you will come to know whether you have read the chapter thoroughly, you have learned thought of the chapter thoroughly कि मेरे को समझ आया कि नहीं आया. So it's better if you will do yourself. Still I have done it for you. The tree was a house of a flock of parrots. False. The tree was a house of flock of what? Of which? Yes, geese. The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. Yeah? Yes, true. True. The hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder. With the help of a ladder? No. With the help of a creeper, yes. When caught in the net, the foolish birds began to weep. Yes, true. बर्ड ने रोना चालू कर दिया था ना. हाँ जी, यस, ये जब वो उसमें पकड़े गए थे नेट में. The wise old bird helped them to escape. Who gave the advice to how to escape and what to do? Yes, the wise old bird. This is true. Now coming to the next page. This is, let's sit in this is a paragraph. Comprehension time. There's a comprehension is there. You read the comprehension. There are some questions related to this comprehension. I will solve the questions for you. You will read that comprehension. It's my choice, my thinking, my advice. You can say, if you do this comprehension yourself and then check the answers, it would be better. It would like a practice for you for the comprehension part. Okay, bache? Right. First question is, why do you think the dove helped the ant? Yes, because ant was kind, so he helped the ant. क्योंकि ant kind थी, तो इसलिए उसकी help करी. The next question is, how do I think the ant fell on the finding the leaf? I think the ant must be happy finding the leaf near to. वो खुश हो गई थी कि मेरे पास आ गया, मैं बच जाऊंगी अब, है ना? तो that is. The third question, have you ever been in trouble like the ant? Did anyone help you? Do it yourself. Yes, सब में होता है कि कोई प्रॉब्लम में आता है तो हु हैव यू एवर बीन ट्रबल if like and if yes then you have to write your answer accordingly, if not then you have to write your answer accordingly. Okay, now let's come to the next page. Let's talk. It's a very interesting thing. There are some questions. Work in pairs if you can. Second part, use question words such as where, what, how, who, when, why. One is done for you. Anu, I watch TV in the evening. Amit, I watch, कब देखते हो, कब का, that is when. When do you watch TV? अनु, I play games. मैं games खेलती हूँ. तो question, what would be the question? What do you play? तुम क्या खेलते हो? क्या means games. I collect stamps. Sorry, Anu, I collect stamps. Amit, what do you collect? क्या collect करते हो? Then answer is I collect stamps. अनु, I play in the ground. मैं ग्राउंड में खेलती हूँ. तो इसका what is the question? What would be the question? Where do you play? तुम कहाँ खेलते हो? अनु, on Sunday I go shopping. संडे को मैं शॉपिंग पे जाऊंगी. संडे तो को जाऊँ. On Sunday I go shopping. शॉपिंग पे जाती हूँ. Then when do you, कब? When means कब do you go for shopping? Okay बच्चे. Now let's start with the answer this question about yourself. I think it's better if you do yourself because you know yourself better. है ना? What is your name? जैसे if you ask me what is your name, my name is Niti. Like you have to do yourself on book with pencil, बच्चे. Okay. Now leave this part. Let's write. This is again for yourself, for your practice purpose, but I have done one for you. Don't worry about it. The words in the clouds describe something or someone in the story. Make them in the blanks provided. Make sentence of your own with the words given in the clouds. जो clouds में बने हैं आपको you have to make sentence. Wise. Wise means intelligent. So you have to make sentence on wise. Mr. Modi is a wise prime minister. Careless. You can write careless मतलब जो ध्यान नहीं देता किस चीज़ में. कुछ भी so and so is a careless boy or girl or she is a careless whatever. And you do it yourself on books only with pencil. Please keep this thing in your mind. You have to do your work on books with pencil. Okay. Now let's coming to the next page. Here are some answers about the given picture. The color of the ant is black. Second, it lives on land. It has two antennae. It crawls on the ground. It eats sugar. These are the answers. You have to make questions from the answer. First answer is the color of the ant is black. तो what would be your question? Ant का color black है. तो question क्या चाहिए? What is the color of ant? कैसा color? क्या color है? ठीक है ना? It lives on land. वो land पर रहती है. तो हमारा question होगा where does it live? वो कहाँ रहती है? Okay. It has two long antennae. उसके दो antennae ये देखो. These are the क्या रहेगा क्वेश्चन? तो रहेगा व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ हाउ मेनी एंटेने डज इट मीन्स एन एंट हैव. इट क्रॉल्स ऑन द ग्राउंड. वो ग्राउंड पे क्रॉल करती है. क्रॉल मतलब ऐसे जैसे चलना, जिससे बच्चा रेंगता है ना छोटा सा. तो कहाँ रेंगता है? वेयर. कहाँ का मतलब वेयर डज इट क्रॉल. इट इज शुगर. वो शुगर खाती है. तो वो क्या खाती है? तो क्या का क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डज इट ईट. ओके. Now did you get the things? Okay, let's come to the next question. Fill in the blanks with prepositions such as to, at, of, on, in, into, with. And you have to do like this. You have to use these preposition and fill the blanks. This tree was the home of a flock of white leaves. One has done for you. He noticed the creeper dash the foot of the tree. Tree के foot पर था. कहाँ पे था? At. It would be pity dash destroy it now. It would be pity. इस मुश्किल हो जाएगा मतलब अगर उसको अब डिस्ट्रॉय करें. To destroy it now. As they flew dash the tree they were trapped. अगर वो उड़ जाते हैं as they flew उड़ जाते हैं तो they were trapped वो पकड़े जाएंगे. तो flew off. The boy ran the dog dash the dog. Boy dog के साथ भाग गया तो with the dog. The frog jumped the well. The dash the well. Well means कुआं. तो फ्रॉग्स है उसमें जंप करके इनटू, मतलब जो बाहर ना निकल सके चीज उसको इनटू बोलते हैं, जो उसको फेंकी गई। तो जो फ्रॉग्स है बाहर तो निकल नहीं पाएंगे अब वेल से, इनटू द वेल। द गर्ल वॉज थ्रिल्ड टू सी हर, थ्रिल्ड में खुशी से, वाओ न्यू साइकिल से, टू सी हर न्यू बाइसिकल। द बर्ड्स वर कॉट डैश द नेट, किस में फंस गए, नेट में, तो में इन। द चिल्ड्रन वॉक्ड डैश द ब्रिज, ब्रिज के पास, ऑन द ब्रिज, अलॉन्ग द ब्रिज भी हो सकता है बट वी डोंट हैव अलॉन्ग ऑप्शन, देन वी हैव टू राइट ऑन द ब्रिज, ब्रिज के ऊपर से वो ऊपर चले। ओके क्लियर बच्चे? ओके लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज। Complete the paragraph with suitable words from the box. Around, across, with, along, to. These are also prepositions. Now you have to do. I have. You'll do yourself. It's better, but I have done for you. You will check thereafter. It's my advice. One day, as I was walking along the bank of the river, along bank river के bank के साथ साथ चल रहा था. I saw my friend running the field. Field के आसपास. Around. He was calling my name and waving to me. वो मेरा नाम ले रहा था और मुझे वेव कर रहा था. I stopped and waited. मैं रुका, उसका वेट करा. Dash some time he reached there was वो टाइम कुछ समय बाद, कुछ समय मतलब बाद, मैं रुका तो वेट कर तो बाद ही होगा. After some time he reached there I was standing. Thereafter he said, I went all around the town looking for you. कहता मैं सारी जगह घुमाया पूरे टाउन में, देखाया तुम्हें ढूंढने के लिए. आई हैव सम एक्साइटिंग न्यूज टू शेयर यू, तुम्हारे साथ शेयर करने के लिए एक अच्छी सी न्यूज. एक्साइटिंग तो विद, तुम्हारे साथ मतलब विद. डू यू रिमेम्बर द ओल्ड हाउस, द नीम ट्री, तुम्हें याद है वो हाउस, हमारा पुराना घर जो नीम ट्री के कहाँ था, नेक्स्ट टू, नीम ट्री के नेक्स्ट में, उसके साथ आगे मतलब. गेस हु इज मूविंग इन टू दैट हाउस, कौन जा रहा है उस हाउस में, इनटू जनक दास द ग्रेट मैजिशियन, वो मैजिशियन जादूगर जनक दास. नाउ वी कैन लर्न, अब हमें बहुत सारी ट्रिक्स सीखने को उनसे मिलेंगी, उनसे मतलब फ्रॉम हिम. ओके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गिवन बिलो विद क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल वेयर डू यू लिव, एग्जांपल दिया है तो डैश डू यू प्ले, वेयर डू यू प्ले या व्हाट डू यू प्ले. डैश डू यू गेट, व्हेन डू यू गेट अप, कब उठते हो. व्हाट डू यू डू, व्हाट डू यू हैव फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाते हो, क्या, तो व्हाट. डैश डू यू गो टू स्कूल, तुम स्कूल कब जाते हो, व्हेन, कब मतलब व्हेन. व्हाट डू यू लाइक द बेस्ट इन स्कूल, गेम्स, आर्ट और म्यूजिक, तुम्हें क्या पसंद है, व्हाट, क्या मीन्स व्हाट. व्हेन इज योर बर्थडे, तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है, व्हेन मीन्स कब, दैट इज व्हेन. व्हाट डू यू वांट फॉर योर बर्थडे, तुम्हें क्या चाहते हो, क्या मीन्स व्हाट. ओके गॉट इट. ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. pages reference to the context. Well, there is no hurry. If you have read the chapter thoroughly, you might have known the answers. Well, there is no hurry. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it. So this is where the wildies live. So who said these words? Well, there is no hurry. The geese. So this is where the अच्छा यहाँ wild geese रहती, तो hunter ने कहा था. To whom said was it said, किसने कहा, these thing, this thing is, who said this thing, wise word, ये किसने कहा, हंटर ने अपने आप से बात करी, to himself. when was it said, ये कब कहा गया, जब वो क्रीपर छोटा सा था. before the hunter came to catch them, कब छोटा था और अभी हंटर उनको पकड़ने नहीं आया था, तो उसने बोला वाइल्ड गीज ने, प्लीज कट द क्रीपर. जब इट वॉज वेरी टाइनी, इट वॉज स्मॉल, तो ही सेड टू कट द क्रीपर, but nobody had listened to him. That is why we say listen to your elders, listen to your parents, they'll give you good advice. Okay, then so this wild geese live when the hunter came to the forest. ये कब कहा उसने, जब फॉरेस्ट में हंटर आया था हंट करने के लिए, तो उसने कहा कि अच्छा यहाँ पर ही वो रहते हैं, कौन रहते हैं, गीज रहते हैं. ओके this is all about the chapter. All right. I hope you all understand this thing. If you're not getting it, you can ask me. So I hope you all are fine and well at home. Be safe and stay home. Thank you. Bye, bachche.